Well, greetings, students, and welcome to week 3 of Biblical Hebrew 1 at Moody Theological Seminary. Again, Shalom Eretz Yisrael. As you can see from the background, I'm here in my room in the apartment in Rishon LeZion, down on the coastal plain in Israel, and getting ready to give this announcement. I trust you're doing well this week. And how are you doing with that good self-disciplined study schedule for Mastering Biblical Hebrew you sketched out last week? If you discipline yourself to that and confine yourself to it, restrict yourself to that fine schedule, you're going to find it will prove beneficial as we keep moving forward in the language. Good quote from Martin Luther here on the importance of learning the language and the whole language of Hebrew and Greek. Many schools are dropping the languages, or at least the full-blown learning of the languages for various reasons. And just be glad you're at a school where we value the languages and you're learning them and learning them well. And we want you not just to learn them to earn a degree, but learn them to use them so that when you have completed your degree, you'll be using Hebrew and Greek regularly. Well, this week you're going to deal with Hebrew nouns, the definite article, and the conjunctive vav. You can find an overview of the week that's going to look fairly close to this, but you should go there too in the week 3 link here in the course. Our objectives this week are 4. We want you to recognize and understand the function of the definite article. We want you to recognize and understand the function of the conjunctive vav. We want you to recognize and understand the function, the form and function of Hebrew nouns. And we want you to parse a Hebrew noun for gender and number. Your study requirements this week are to work through chapters 4 and 5 of Practical and Pelt's Grammar, Basics of Biblical Hebrew. You need to listen to their video lectures for those same 2 chapters for lessons 4 and 5. And you need to memorize the vocabulary words in the grammar from pages 36 and 46 and 47. Your assignments are 3.1, pronunciation. You need to record yourself reading sentences 4 and 5 from the workbook, page 23. You need to take quiz 3, and you need to do workbook exercises 4 and 5. You can look down through the supplemental activities. Again, these are recommended, but not required. And then there's a few things here that have been repeated, and they will continue to repeat throughout the course, just as good reminders because you are responsible for them. Welcome to graduate work. And last, this week's post with pictures of my time here in Israel is attached below. There's a zip file. In that file, you should find 3 videos. One short one of Tel Jericho, and one of the tower at Tel Jericho, and one of the central Benjamite Plateau. I had the privilege yesterday of going with students from Jerusalem University College and Dr. Paul Wright to these locations in their historical geography course. It was a truly enlightening time, and I've studied historical geography, but even being out with Dr. Wright and actually going to some of these places and then finding your way down to the coastal plain and seeing the significance of the Ajalon Valley as it reaches up to the central Benjamite Plateau, that would have been the preferred route to Jerusalem. Even though it's not the most direct route, it is the preferred route because it has the least impediments as you go up the Ajalon Valley, then up to the central Benjamite Plateau, and then turn south to head for Jerusalem. So again, just the value of being here in the land, of seeing these things and studying historical geography, in addition to learning Hebrew and Greek. Those will be my 3 probably favorite studies in biblical studies, languages, and then historical geography. Well, enough of that. Enjoy your studies. If you need to contact me, you can reach me by Skype or FaceTime. I've had students, a couple of students from different schools, contact me since I've been here using different means, one using Skype, the other using FaceTime, and both work fine. So just know if you do need to contact me, you'll be able to do so. Well, enjoy your study in Hebrew this week. Shalom.